Abhishek from Gangbo.com. So today let's discuss about Azure versus GCP. More specifically, why choose Azure over Google's cloud offering. As we all know, Google is relatively new to the cloud market, so their public cloud offering started very recently. So Azure has a lot more experience in this public cloud offering. So right now Azure has more number of services compared to Google Cloud. Azure has a very big infrastructure of data centers which they utilize to their maximum. Google is still coming up in the, but they are still lagging way behind Azure. Google is actually more suited towards consumers and basically people who are looking for open source solutions, whereas Azure is more suited towards enterprise. Google is not so much focused on the enterprise level as of yet. So Microsoft key tools, key offerings are mostly focused on AI, machine learning. So basically, while Google is more towards language, speech to text, etc. So when we talk about Azure's focus or enterprise support, Azure focuses more on hybrid cloud. Azure focuses more on hybrid cloud, towards hybrid cloud, wherein it offers support for incorporating the customer's data centers into Azure. Whereas Google is more focused on, is not as focused on enterprise focused as Azure. They are more focused on improving their current offerings. So when we talk about Azure, Azure has a larger user base currently, so Google is yet to catch up in this level. Okay, as usual, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Gangbo.com and please click on the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.